Hello, my name is Jubleen. The name of our project is Analysis of the Use of Mobile Instant Messaging, that is WhatsApp in Higher Education. Sprint 2 started on 3rd of May and ended on 23rd of May. These are the team members who were assigned different roles, and this also shows the total number of hours they worked for. In this Sprint 2, we were able to accomplish 3 user stories completely. This shows the estimate of the time that was needed to complete each of the tasks in Sprint 2. Now I'm going to show the evidence of work, which will include thematic analysis, findings and recommendations, as well as some screenshots from the participants regarding the WhatsApp use. I used Power BI tool to do the analysis on preferred location for users of WhatsApp. Deeply used Power BI tool to do the analysis on experience of WhatsApp use by participants. So these was the finding from the data that was collected from 16 participants from different universities. So we analyzed the data to find one of the objectives, that was utilization of WhatsApp for learning and individual purposes. So we found out that for learning purposes, they basically use WhatsApp for sharing data related to the education, journal information sharing, communication with peers, family and friends, and it also allowed them to share the files easily. It helped them to increase knowledge as they shared many ideas and tips with each other. They were able to engage easily in group activities, and they could also ask and give support regarding academics. For personal use, they share different personal information. They consider it to be a good communication tool. They can easily manage their group activities, and they consider it to be a user friendly app as it helps them to build confidence. These were the recommendations that were provided by them, which included the inclusion of favorite room, easily access to documents, screen sharing, language translator, video calling, option to record video, and access to live classes, document editor, and access without internet. This is the client and supervisor feedback that was given on Sprint 2. So she asked for a few modifications in themes and thematic maps, which we clearly did and mentioned in the video. She was also satisfied with the interviews that was conducted with different participants from Australian universities, and she was also satisfied with the analysis that was done using Power BI tool. But she mentioned that we should give more explanation on those on those analysis. And for the next sprint, we'll try to change the allocation of tasks to different team members. We'll try to include more analysis using Power BI, and definitely we'll do thorough research on how to develop a more detailed thematic map.